Hello, my name is Iskandar. I'm with Fitri, also with Firdaus. We today want to show you guys how to do a short animation with digital e-learning logo. Let's move on. So first off, we need to do a new composition for the new project. Later, you need to put the file into the layer, and then you can continue the project. After adding the asset to the com, you have to trace all the thing from the text by text to get the show animation work. So after your own sheet stuff, you have to trim path to continue the project. If you want to change the color from the color red, you can place by do the effect and preset and search fill, and also put it to the pre-com one. If you want to, you can put a Gaussian blur to the text to make it more appeal and more realistic, also make it more immersive to the viewers. So after animating the text all type, which is the digital and also the learning one, so let's move on by animating the icon, which the main part is the D one. So what you have to do is open the camera and make it to the com, and then follow as the step shown on the video. Next up, if you want to put a text like I do right now, I put a Polytechnic Ibrahim Sultan text to represent the digital e-learning on the Polytechnic Ibrahim Sultan. So as you can see, the logo, we give a more depth to the logo, and then it gives like from the zoom out, and then it goes to zoom in. That's it for our tutorial group for how to do the short animation by using digital learning logo. Thank you for watching, and see you and on the next video. Bye.